Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Google Play gift card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your gift card. Locate your Google Play gift card and make sure you have the redemption code ready. For physical cards, this code is usually on the back under a scratch-off panel. For e-gift cards, the code will be in the email you received. Step 2. Open the Google Play Store. On your Android device, open the Google Play Store app. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account where you want to redeem the gift card. Step 3. Redeem your gift card. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Payments and Subscriptions, and choose Redeem Gift Code. Enter the gift card code and tap Redeem to complete the process. Once your gift card is successfully redeemed, you will see the updated balance in your Google Play account. Your Google Play gift card is now ready to use for apps, games, movies, books, and other digital content. Step 5. Start shopping. You can now use your Google Play balance at checkout. Simply select your Google Play balance as your payment method when purchasing items from the Play Store. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.